Repair requests, a simple guide to English phrasing. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the concept of repair requests in English. This term may sound technical, but it's actually a part of everyday language. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how to use it effectively. Repair requests refer to a phrase or question used to clarify something that was not clearly understood. Imagine you're having a conversation and you don't quite catch what the other person said. In this case, a repair request is your tool to ensure understanding. It's like asking someone to repair a part of the conversation that was broken for you. Here are some everyday examples. Could you repeat that, please? Sorry, what did you say? I didn't catch that. Can you say it again? Could you explain that in a different way? Notice how these phrases are polite and direct. They clearly show that you need more information or clarification. Repair requests are useful in many situations. In a noisy environment where you can't hear well. When someone uses a word or phrase you don't understand. If you are learning English and need things to be repeated or rephrased. It's a sign of active listening and shows that you are engaged in the conversation. 1. Be polite. Use phrases like, please, or, sorry, to be courteous. 2. Be clear. Make sure the other person knows exactly what you need. 3. Use nonverbal cues. Nodding or leaning forward can show that you are actively trying to understand. Repair requests are a key part of effective communication in English. They help avoid misunderstandings and ensure that conversations are clear and productive. Don't hesitate to use them whenever you need clarity. Remember, asking for clarification is always better than guessing and getting it wrong. Hope this helps you in your English language journey. See you in the next video.